Good morning, students. In the previous video, we had discussed about the exhalation in plants. In this video, we will discuss about the exhalation in human being. We know that during the process of a digestion, the whatever may be food that we are eating that is digested, and during this process, various excretory materials they are synthesized, and the removal of these excretory material outside of our body, that is nothing but the exhalation. Or we can make the simple definition in the next slide. Removal of unwanted waste outside the body of the living organism, that is nothing but the exhalation. Removal of unwanted waste. Now, which one is the unwanted waste in case of a human being? The nitrogenous waste material such as urea, then uric acid, ammonia. These are the nitrogenous waste. They are synthesized as a result of different metabolic processes. If these materials, that is the nitrogenous waste, if it is not removed periodically outside of our body, then they will accumulate in the different part of our body, and that will lead to the destruction of the organ. So the removal of this waste material, it plays a very important role. So in the process of exhalation, the unwanted waste material, they are removed outside of our body. In case of a human being, as we know that human being is among the most complex organisms. So our grade of organization is that is a organ system grade of organization. In the next year, you have a detailed study about the organization. In that I will explain it in detail. Organ system grade. What is the meaning of this one? In our body, different processes or different metabolic activities, they are carried out by the different organ systems. We know that digestion, nutrition, it is carried out by the digestive system. Respiration is carried out by the respiratory system. The nervous system is also there. Again, the circulatory system is there. In that similar way, in case of a human being, the process of exhalation, it is done with the help of a well-developed organ system that is called as the excretory system. Excretory system. This excretory system in a human being, it consists of the two major parts, that is the pair of kidneys. Here these are the pair of kidneys. Friends, the kidneys, they are located at the back side, at the dorsal side of our body, and the shape of a kidney is like to that of the bean shape. And the size is like to that of our fist. Fist म्हणजे काय? आपली मूठ. आपली मूठ जेवढी आहे तेवढाच आपल्या किडनीचा आकार आहे. आणि आपली किडनी ही आपल्या व्हेंट्रल साइडला नाही. मी आधी सांगितलं ही आपली कोणती साइड आहे? व्हेंट्रल साइड. आणि मागची साइड कोणती आहे? डॉर्सल साइड. आणि आपल्या किडनी ज्या आहेत त्या कुठे आहेत? लोअर ॲब्डोमिनल साइडला, बॅक साइडला, डॉर्सल साइडला आहेत. आणि वन ऑन द either side of vertebral column. They are located on the either side of vertebral. म्हणजे या बाजूनी आपल्या किडनी नाही, किडनी आपल्या बॅक साइडनी आहे. Those they suffer from the kidney stone or any problem that is related to the kidney, they will have the pain at the back side. मागच्या बाजूला दुखतं. That is the reason, because the kidneys are present at the back side, at the dorsal side of our body. So our excretory system, in case of the human being, it is consist of the pair of kidneys, then the pair of ureters. These are the ureters, pair of ureters. These are just tube-like structures. They collect the urine. In case of a human being, urine is the nitrogenous waste. It is a nitrogenous waste, and it is periodically removed outside of our body. And the removal of this waste, it is done with the help of the kidney. So in the exhalation, In case of the human being, kidney plays a very important role. Kidney plays a very important role, and a pair of ureters are there. A common urinary bladder is present here, and the opening that is called as the urethra. These are the major part of our excretory system. Tell me which are the major parts of the excretory system? Pair of kidneys, then pair of ureters, then the urinary bladder, a single urinary bladder is present, and the urethra. It is the opening through which this nitrogenous waste, that is the urine, is periodically removed outside of our body. These are the major parts of our excretory system. So, in human being, previous slide I want, here the main organ for excretion is the kidney. Now, what is the position of a kidney in our body? Two kidneys are there, as I had already told you. They are bean shaped. They are present at the lower abdominal side. And the position of a kidney is not the parallel, but it is the kidney on the left hand side. It is just little bit at the lower position. Why this happen? Because of the presence of a heart. Where is our heart? Heart is located at this position. So because of the presence of the heart, the position of a kidney at this side, it is little bit at the lower position. Okay, so in the diagram, though we show it at the parallel position, but they are not at the parallel position. The kidney on the left hand side, it is little bit at the lower. Conical structure is present above the kidney, and this conical structure, it is the adrenal gland. You know very well about the glands. They plays a very important role. All the glands, they secretes their secretion, that is called as the hormone. You have detailed study about these hormones, and the hormones, they plays a very important role in the functioning of the different organs of our body, or they control. Actually, hormones, they are among the chemical control. Like to that of the nervous control, hormones plays a very important role. And this adrenal gland, it secretes the hormone, that is adrenaline and non-adrenaline. In the NEET, this question is asked. Which hormone is secreted by the adrenal gland? It secretes the hormone adrenaline and non-adrenaline. Now, what is the function of this one? It is not given in the textbook, but for your understanding, I would like to tell you that whenever we are suffering from any emotional situation, at that time, our behavior for that situation, it depends upon the secretion of the hormone, adrenaline as well as the non-adrenaline. So, these adrenal glands, they are present attached to the kidneys. Pair of ureters are there. Whatever may be the filtration of the blood, it takes place in the kidneys. That after filtration, that filtrate that contains the nitrogenous waste, that is called as the urine in case of the human being, and that urine is transferred or collected via these two ureters. As the two kidneys are there, so the two ureters are there, and via these ureters or via these tubes, the urine is collected in a common structure, that is a pouch-like structure, that is called as a urinary bladder. It is called as the urinary bladder. And in this urinary bladder, the urine is stored for some period of time. And as the contraction of these muscles, which comprises of this bladder, it is under the control of our brain, so that we can control our urge to urinate. We can control our urge to urinate. Okay, and the last structure, that is the opening, that is called as the urethra, and through this urethra, the urine is removed outside of our body. So friends, these are the parts of our excretory system. You can see one reddish tube-like structure and one blue colored tube-like structure. What would be this? These are the blood vessels. These are the blood vessels that is carrying the filtrated and infiltrated blood towards the kidney. In the kidney, what happens? The infiltrated blood, when it passes through the kidney, When it passes through the kidney, at that time the filtration takes place. The filtration takes place, and after the filtration has been completed, the filtrated blood, it is again returning back to supply all the body organs, and in this way the infiltrated and filtrated blood that is carried out with the help of these arteries, renal, that is called as the renal artery, and this is the inferior vena cava. You might be know the inferior and superior vena cava. These are the main veins that can carry the deoxygenated blood to the brain, that the heart, and that also carries the deoxygenated blood to, or infiltrated blood. Here we can't say the deoxygenated, but it is an infiltrated blood that is carried out to the that kidney for the filtration. So